What is a property spruiker? Well, the English dictionary says that this is someone who tries to persuade people to buy something, use a service, etc., often in a dishonest or exaggerated way. Okay, so this is important, particularly at the moment when I shoot this video. We're going through a boom, and I've been through this a few times where the market gets all hot, and then all of a sudden I see all these ads popping up for property investment groups, and I've never even heard of them. And then lo and behold, a few years later, when the boom slows down, they all disappear and you don't hear from them for a while. So why is it important to be able to spot spruikers? Well, because they're trying to get your business often by exaggerating a lot of the claims they make about their service or results. So, a lot of this get rich quick stuff, all right? Property investing is get rich slow, not get rich quick. They might exaggerate the size of their business. They say, oh, we've got this massive team and we spend millions of dollars on research and all this, and it all sounds great when you watch the webinars or go to the website. But then if you have a closer look at the website, well, where is the staff? You don't even have staff profiles on your website. So it's things like this. If you've got this massive research team, well, can we have a look at their profiles? Can we speak to the research team? Things like that. Promising the world in terms of their services. Oh, look, we provide this, as we do, this lifetime membership. But really, do you? Can I talk to some of your clients going back many, many years to see sort of what service do you deliver? What sort of property returns? Your property's going to double every 5 to 7 years and all this sort of stuff. Just be mindful, just be conscious that there are a lot of groups out there that try to jump on the bandwagon when the market's booming, and you need to obviously identify who those are. Now, also they offer special deals, all right? So we only buy or help you purchase discounted properties and all this sort of stuff. Well, it's not that simple. Not every property out there is discounted, as you would know. We refer to them as unicorn deals. So again, just be mindful of some of the promises that are made to you. The other big thing is offering of gifts. A lot of groups will offer rental guarantees. Now, rental guarantees is where they guarantee a portion or all of the rent if your property sits vacant. Again, when you're buying an investment property, you're buying it because it meets investment criteria. Don't sacrifice the quality of your investment property over short-term thinking, okay? You do not buy a property because of a rental guarantee. You buy the property because you don't need the rental guarantee. It's in a great location, the vacancy rates are very, very low, and there'll be continued strong rental demand in that area for a long time. Cash payments, where they offer you sort of cash back if you buy this property, or they could offer to pay for a lot of your services. We'll pay for the solicitor fees, depreciation reports. Again, this is very short-term thinking. You don't buy property because of these incentives. That's typically what property spruikers do to get you to buy their property. Of course, there's the pushy sales tactics as well. You might go to a seminar and they're trying to upsell you to a more expensive seminar, and then you might put down your 10 or 20 or 30 grand and then go to that seminar, and then all of a sudden at the end of the seminar they're trying to sell you off the planned property and all this sort of stuff. Be very mindful of that. That's not what you want. That's not a well thought out strategy. Even if you do go see a group and they have a meeting with you, even in the first or second meeting, they might put a property in front of you and say, well, here's a property. Well, hang on a minute. Where's all the strategy? Where's all the planning that comes with this? I haven't had a chance to do any due diligence. In our business, we have up to 3 meetings, 3 coaching and training sessions before any property is presented. And we don't present it to you in a meeting. We send it to you a week in advance because you're expected to do your own due diligence, which we teach you to do. So you do your own research. You look at all the properties selling in the area. You check what the rents are. You speak to real estate agents and builders and developers and all this sort of stuff, right? So very, very important. So guys, just in my final comments, professional advice is absolutely critical. It will allow you to fast track your results. And there's some fantastic groups out there providing some fantastic advice and support. As we went through, some sort of focus in different areas. We in our business are very comprehensive. We cover all areas, but do your research, download the guide, because at the end of the day, it's all about fast tracking your results. You want to save time and money. You want to be able to do this with the confidence and not have the stress of knowing whether you're getting it right or not. And look, you've got nothing to lose by having a chat. So certainly if you want to have a chat to one of our senior property coaches and understand a little bit more about the service, book your free strategy session. You can do that on the website, and certainly don't leave the website without grabbing the essential guide to selecting property investment services. So we've got that checklist in there as well. Thank you.